This 2015 Newmar London Aire 4599 is a Class A RV. It is located in Winter Garden, FL 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This used Newmar is 44 feet 11 inches in length and features 4 slideouts, a Mystic Decor, Sable Maple interior, Sleep 6, external shower, self-contained, Skylight, stove top burner, Colorado Detector, auxiliary battery, slideout, smoke detector, TV antenna, air conditioning, and 105 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half, bunk beds, front entertainment, front living area, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bath, rear entertainment. This 2015 Newmar London Aire 4599 is built on a Freightliner Tag Axle chassis and is powered by a Cummins ISX 600 HP engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.